Can you use the Kona 100% wood pellets in your Ninja electric smoker? Stay tuned and we'll find out. A few months ago, we bought the Ninja Woodfire Grill Smoker and uses wood pellets. The Ninja Wood Pellets. It tells you in the instructions that you can only use Ninja Woodfire pellets. Is that true? Can you buy other pellets? Well, I did. And did it work? Absolutely. So I bought the Kona Hickory and the Kona Cherry. I'm super excited about that. And this video or this review is about using the Kona 100% hardwood pellets. No chemical compounds, no flavor additives, no spray scents, no glues, and low ash. You can absolutely use these in your Ninja Woodfire Grill Smoker, electric smoker, which I have, and I love them just as much as I thought I would. They are awesome, great flavor to add to your next concoction on your smoker.